Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Dr. Raden, Dr. Sajahan, Dr. Rahimah, Dr. Zulkifli and our supervisor Dr. Luman. Today our group are going to present our project. The title of our product is Food Door Opener. My name is Muhammadullah bin Muhammad Harani and my matrix number is B051 at 10094 and I'm going to present about the introduction. The food opener is a device that will help us to open the door by using our own food. Next is, since COVID-19 can be circulated by touching the surface area, this device can help to reduce the spread of the virus. This device also can be installed on the bottom of the door latch and attached to the doorknob. It can be convenient to open the door while our hands are fully occupied. And then the next is problem statement. When our hands are full, it is difficult for us to open the door when using our own hands when our hands are fully occupied. And then next, we need to sanitize our hand every time we touch the surface of the doorknob. The spread of the virus by surface where there are more risks to have germs on the doorknob since everyone touches the doorknob. And then next, for the objective is to reduce the force with a maximum of 800 Newton needed to be set on the foot door opener so that it can be used by all users regardless of their age. Next is to create a device that can reduce the physical contact between other people in order to identify the effectiveness of this product and to minimize the spread of virus towards the user. Lastly is to design and develop a device which user able to use to open the door without touching the doorknob when hands are fully occupied. And then next is the literature review. The first one is we are using patent search for our design consideration. We have found a few concepts that could be considered as our reference for our product design. Next is benchmarking. We are using the existing product as our benchmarking. From our evaluation and research about the existing product, most of the food opener in the market are either too simple or not compatible with a different type of door and doorknob. The last one is article. There are also a lot of design concepts that can be referred to by reading a few articles that are related to our product. It can help us to improvise the design concept.
My name is Nur Afika binti Adnan. My matric number B051810123. Methodology. Methodology is the method that we use to achieve our objective. First, questionnaire survey form. Based on this survey, we know the desire and we able to get fast response from our respondent about our product. Second, house of quality. We can translate customer needs and produce a product based on their requirement. Third, design concept. We do screening and ranking to get a suitable design to achieve our objective. House of quality. So, this is the house of quality that we generate from the survey that we have conducted earlier. Result. Based on the survey, we know that consumer need first, durable product. Second, suitable to use for all users. Third, product cost and cost of repairing are affordable. Fourth, easy to handle and install. Fifth, can be attached to all types of door. 6. Attractive design. 7. Lightweight.
My name is Muhammad Afar bin Sofi and my matrix number is B051810061 and I will be present about detailed design. This is the design of our product. We have two separate parts and this part are pedal part and door adapter part, and both of the part will be connected to a wire and clamps. For the first part, this is the pedal for foot door opener. There are two main components, which is a bracket and a pedal. As you can see, the bracket will be mounted with two screws size of 3 mm to the door, and then we slide it in the pedal part into the bracket. And at the top of the pedal part, you will see a hole that will be connected through a wire, and then we latch it with a clamp. For the second part, the doorknob adapter, the first half or the left side will be welded an extension or the lever part to connect with the pedal part using the other end of the wire and clamp it. And for the left side will be act as a lock action to the doorknob by using two sets of bolt and nut. Manufacturing process for bracket will be undergoes cutting process, which like we cut the metal sheet and then we form it into a bracket design. As for drilling is for drill for screws to be mounted. for pedal platform will be undergoes cutting process to cut the metal, and then we form it like such as bending it into a 90 degrees. For doorknob adapter, will be under both side will be undergoes cutting process and drill process. As for the right side, that have the level part undergoes welding process. Limitation in developing the product. First of all, it is a time consuming to produce just for one product. It is because we're using human energy instead of a machine. Secondly, it is very cost to produce a product. The raw material is very expensive to buy.
My name is Nur Farha Fasha binti Muhammad Khairi, B0518101004. Designed for manufacturing assembly. As you can see, at the left side shows an old design of the foot door opener, and the right side is the new design for the foot door opener. The modification is done to improve the usability and value to the product so that it is safe to be used. The adjustment made from the old design is the design itself, which the design from the new one is safer to be used because it has no sharp edges and the platform is a little bit smaller than the old one. And another thing is modified from single locking handle mechanism for doorknob to double locking, which added grip to the doorknob. Design for environment. In our final concepts design, there are sustainability elements that can be considered as environmental sustainability. Each part of this product can be recycled or reused when it is broken. It also can be upcycled, which the quality of the material itself can be enhanced. Other than that, it also can be turned into scrap metal while leaving a small footprint to the environment, which leaving no harmful effect behind. Moving on to the cost. In producing a product, we have to include the estimation cost for this foot door opener. Like right here, we have material cost and direct labor cost. For material, we sum up the total for every part of the foot door opener, which we will get 65 ringgit and 47 cent, while for direct labor cost is 90 ringgit and 8 cent. The total for both expenses is 84 ringgit 55 cent. Next is morphological chart. Morphological chart is used to generate our design concept for foot door opener. It creates concept for sub-function of each product. Various concept design are proposed to fulfill the customer requirement, and each and every part were chosen deliberately.
My name is Abang Muhammad Fakullah bin Abang Ahmad. Number metric B0518100090. Morphological chart. Various design and concept are proposed to consider the best design and the dimension for the foot door opener. In this morphological chart, we are able to come up with several design concepts to be chosen from. There are a total of 7 designs, which consists of various combination of concepts from the morphological chart. This concept is going through concept screening process, which selection criteria is based on customer requirement such as durability, safety, user-friendly, and etc. The concept scoring will be selected the best design for this product. Only 3 designs will meet to the concept scoring, which is concept A, concept F, and the combination of concept C and D. Through this phase, concept C and D is the best design among all. Material selection stages. We are using selection strategy which consists of translation, screening, ranking, and documentation. Translation is used to find the function, constraint, objective, and the free variable for the foot door opener. Screening. Material screening is a process which is utilized to narrow down the number of material and repeatedly to improve the material selection. This screening process we consider as the way to reduce the number of selected material and finally to select the best material for this product. Several criteria has been chosen to fulfill the requirements such as density, yield strength, young modulus, etc. After going through some comparison, only 3 material has proceed to the next stage, which is the ranking phase. Ranking. The objective of concept scoring or ranking is to choose the most excellent material to use in this product, which now compared stainless steel, zinc die cast, and aluminum alloy, and we finally proceed with stainless steel. As a conclusion, this device will surely bring big impact to community to help decrease the amount of transmission of virus from touching surface and also help user to open door easily while both hands are occupied.